My journey into the realm of philosophy started unexpectedly. It was the summer of 2010 when I stumbled upon Will Durant's illuminating book, The Story of Philosophy. Actually, it was my sister who purchased this book and brought home with her as she was visiting on summer vacation. This book contains ideas from philosophers like Plato, Aristotle, Kant, Francis Bacon, Schopenhauer, and Nietzsche, among others. This book had such a transformative impact on me that even after more than a decade, I am still involved and love reading philosophy every day. Reading this book marked the beginning of an intellectual adventure that introduced me to profound questions about ethics, virtue, and free will, among others. Previously, these concepts were totally unknown to me, so making the discovery really enlightening and transformative. It was like a world of new ideas opened up, inviting me to explore the realms of human mind and society. I have read this book 4 times in the last decade or more, and I will certainly read this book again. It is such a delight and it's just amazing. The word philosophy comes from ancient Greece. In its essence, it means love of wisdom. It is an endeavor to understand the world, to discover the principles underlying human existence, and to search for answers to the questions that have intrigued human mind for thousands of years. It is defined as the study of the fundamental nature of knowledge, reality, and existence. It is a discipline that encourages questioning and critical thinking. Personally, I see philosophy as an inquiry into human thought, the functions of mind, strength of character, and the organization of society. Philosophy is broadly classified into branches such as metaphysics, epistemology, ethics, politics, and aesthetics. Every branch serves a unique purpose and helps us improve our understanding of different aspects of life and the world. I believe that philosophy is a necessity for a conscious life. Without your own personal philosophy, there is a risk that you might adopt beliefs and concepts imposed to you by others or by society. Philosophy enables us to make sense of the world, to scrutinize our existence, and develop a critical faculty to understand life and our role in it. It offers profound insights into human nature that helps us not only understanding our own selves, but also those around us. But most importantly, philosophy offers a unique form of mental comfort and joy that comes from the pursuit and attainment of wisdom, making it really unsurpassable in terms of inner fulfillment. Today, my engagement with philosophy is as vibrant as ever. Every morning, I dedicate 10 to 15 minutes of my time to reading philosophical texts, and luckily, the supply is unlimited. This daily ritual is not just an act of learning, it is also an encounter with the thoughts of the greatest minds of human civilization. I am captivated not only by the philosophical concepts, but also the mastery of expression. To me, writing is the highest form of art. It requires clarity of thought, ability to construct a serious argument, and a special talent to convey complex ideas in simple, accessible language. On examining the past, one might notice that books and art are enduring legacies of civilizations, outliving the empires and truly withstanding the test of time. That's why reading philosophy is not just an intellectual pursuit, but a rewarding investment in one's personal growth and understanding. My journey through the world of philosophy has been extensive and varied. In the last few years, I have read all the works of Seneca and Arthur Schopenhauer. Both philosophers have really helped me extend my thinking ability, develop a faculty to understand the world, and improve my conduct. The Stoic teachings of Epictetus has been a constant source of strength and understanding. Moreover, I believe that Marcus Aurelius' Meditations is a timeless treasure, providing great insights into human condition. The works of Francis Bacon, Karl Popper's Theory of Knowledge, Conjecture and Refutation, and Anthony Delano's awareness have been a true source of enrichment. Moreover, I believe that Plato's work, and especially The Republic, provides invaluable insights into the organization of state and society. Will Durant's book, The Story of Philosophy, which ignited my philosophical journey, still continues to hold a special place in my heart. But the crown jewel of philosophy in my library is The Art of Worldly Wisdom by Baltasar Gracian. This book is a collection of 300 aphorisms providing outstanding strategic life advice. Reading philosophy has connected me with the greatest minds across civilizations, enhancing my learning ability and fostering critical thinking and problem-solving skills. It continuously upgrades my existing concepts and helps me to think in new ways. I have learned to be really very wary of my emotions and not be governed by them or overwhelmed by them in any situation. This reflects that quote which goes like, "Never take a decision when you're angry and never make a promise when you're happy." I have learned that knowledge is like a vast ocean and you are never able to navigate all of it. But every now and then, I discover a new island which introduces me to something new about the world. Philosophy is intense. It takes intellectual curiosity to the highest level by exploring the abstract concepts in detail without arriving at an end. It invites you to join the journey of exploring the unexplored and pushing the boundaries of our understanding. Philosophy has helped me to develop critical thinking ability and arrive at my own conclusions. It has also taught me not to be married to my own ideas or have strict adherence to any kind of ideology. Over time, once popular ideas get refuted, I have learned that it is better to be a skeptic, to question everything. One cannot be certain about a thing which has not survived the test of time. Philosophical reading has been instrumental in developing my virtues and setting a moral compass, influencing my conduct across various aspects of life from career to relationships. I have concluded that high integrity and being authentic are among the highest virtues that also serve as guiding stars while navigating different phases and situations in life. This never-ending source of knowledge and joy not only enriches my life, but also propels me towards becoming a better person. Every science begins as philosophy and ends as art. It arises in hypothesis and flows into achievement. Philosophy is a hypothetical interpretation of the unknown, as in metaphysics, or of the inexactly known, as in ethics or political philosophy. It is the front trench in the siege of truth. Science is the captured territory, and behind it are those secure regions in which knowledge and art build our imperfect and marvelous world. Philosophy seems to stand still, perplexed, but only because she leaves the fruit of victory to her daughters, the sciences, and herself passes on, divinely discontent, to the uncertain and unexplored. Science gives us knowledge, but only philosophy can give us wisdom. In conclusion, my love for philosophy is rooted in its power to challenge, inspire, and transform. It is a journey that continuously evolves, offering endless opportunities for growth and wisdom. For me, philosophy is a pursuit of understanding that not only enriches my existence, but also continuously elevates my being to its highest potential. Thank you so much for watching the video. Click on the subscribe button and you get some more philosophical content. Bye-bye.